Alright, guys, welcome to episode 7 of Daily Tech News. We have some juicy stuff coming up in today's tech news, so stay tuned till the end to know all the information. And before we get into the details, we have a giveaway going on for our premium cases. The link is mentioned in the description, so go ahead and participate. And if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now, without further ado, hello, awesome people. Welcome to Phone Ops. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. So starting the news today, we have MIUI 13.5. So there was 12, 12.5, 12.5 enhanced, 13, and now we have 13.5. Feature list have been coming up in the news recently. Now, some of the most exciting features include new animations, new icons, new interfaces, and a redesigned control center. Now, remember, this is the second time they are redesigning the control center. I think they want to make it more look like iOS. Anyways, there are lots of under the hood improvements such as battery management, performance enhancements, and stuff like that. Now, there is a list of devices that are supposed to get MIUI 13.5. The list will keep growing as this particular update matures, but there are a few devices that are ineligible. That is the Mi 9, Mi 9 SE, Mi 9 Lite, Mi 9 Pro, Mi 9T, Mi 9T Pro, the K20 Pro. It's disappointing to see that name. Anyways, CC9, CC9B2, K20, K20 Pro, of course. Note 8, Note 8 Pro, 9A, 980, and the C3 and the C31. So even the Poco C3 will stop receiving updates. That's really unfortunate. Fortnite Mobile has returned to iOS and Android, but not exactly like a native game. I'll tell you what exactly is going on over here. Now, Fortnite Mobile is known to be a graphic intensive game and it pushes the limits of your device, be it iOS or Android. Now, at first, various Samsung and Google Pixel phones were only supported on Fortnite, and Google never actually released it on their Play Store, and there are some issues going on between Apple and Fortnite's parent company. But now Microsoft with their Xbox Cloud Gaming will allow you to play from a browser without any lags. So this will be interesting. Let me know in the comment section if we should try it on any of our 3, 4, or 5 Android devices that we have, and how does it pan out. I'm actually intrigued to try it on the 5S as well. Anyways, that's a discussion for another day. It does say that there won't be any lags, so it will be interesting to see how it will work. Now, moving on, iPhone 12 mini on sale with up to a discount of 11,910 rupees. Of course, as the launch of the 14 series nears, the 12 and the 13 series will keep getting price discounts. The iPhone 12 64GB Black is on sale on Amazon for a discount of 11,910. from an MRP of 65,900. The blue and white variant will be available for 11,000 discount, while the red color will have the least discount, that is 9,910 rupees. Now, moving on, the purple and green color options of the same storage will have a 8,910 discount. So if you take black, you get close to 12,000, but if you take purple or green, you get around 9,000 rupees. Now, the 12 mini, not really a fan favorite, but it has a discount of 10,910 as well. So if you want a 12 or 12 mini, this is the time to probably get it. Now, moving on, we have the Realme Narzo 50 5G design and renders have been leaked. It's really funny how many devices we cover every single day in the news that are supposed to be launched. Now, this new 5G handset is suggested to support a dual rear camera setup, which is different from the triple rear camera setup on the 4G handset. That's a little weird. A 5G variant getting less cameras, but probably it'll have better sensors. The company claims that the smartphone would feature the fastest 5G chipset and the best cooling technology in its price segment. Currently, there is no information about what this handset might cost. It might feature a 50 megapixel primary sensor on the back. It is expected to have a 5,000 milliampere cell with fast charging. In another news, Realme V23i price and specifications have been tipped by China Telecom listing. A 6.56-inch screen, 2 configurations, and a 5,000 milliampere cell. The phone has a dual camera setup and the front camera has a water drop notch. Dimensity 700. Yeah, let's not talk about the prices because we'll probably discuss those when it comes to India. It's sort of an entry-level mid-ranger device that we're talking about. Now, this is interesting. It is very ironic that a couple of days back I did speak about the N95 on Nokia, one of my old devices. Now, the N73 is making a comeback with a penta rear camera setup. That's around 5 cameras at the back with a 200 megapixel Samsung ISO cell HP1 sensor. That's a powerful sensor there. Now, one of the renders shows the penta camera setup on the phone where two secondary camera modules appear to have identical size, while the other three are distinct from each other. Let's see how the comeback of the Nokia N73 pans out. Now, in another news, the Samsung Galaxy A13s allegedly spotted on US FCC website. A 6.6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display, Exynos 850 processor, 4GB RAM, Android 12, 5000 mAh battery, and a micro SD support with 4G and 25-watt connectivity. Another mid-ranger is what we are talking about here. Nothing launcher, more widely available to devices running Android 11 and up. So yeah, I mean, Nothing launcher really doesn't have nothing. It doesn't have any more features and stuff. So yeah, it's there. If you want, you can install it via APK as well. Moving on to our ROM news, Poco X3 Pro 4th lineage OS 19.1 unofficial has been updated with a May security patch and a bunch of fixes. Mi 11X Pixel Plus UI Android 12.1 has been updated, and apart from this, let's see, that's a long changelog for Pixel Plus UI. Yes, so that's about the changes as far as ROMs are concerned and the tech news for today is concerned. We've started uploading 2 to 3 videos every single day and the trend will continue. Do tune in tomorrow evening because we're going to do a live stream in which we'll have a word with you. We'll announce the winner for our giveaway for the last week and a lot more fun. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.